Hi, I'm Kervin, and I like Fudgy Bar, specifically the dark chocolate one. I buy it all the time, after school, before class,
Kevin! Kevin, okay ka lang?
whenever I feel like it. But one day, I noticed something. In some stores, my Fudgy Bar cost like 10 pesos, but in other stores, my Fudgy Bar cost way cheaper, like 7 pesos. Same product, same brand, same Fudgy Bar. So, I started to wonder, why does my Fudgy Bar have different prices in different stores? And if this happens to Fudgy Bar, does this also happen in other products? Naisip mo din ba ang tanong na ito? Kung oo, well, you are in luck because in this video, me and 8 of my friends are going to solve that very question. Uusisain at aalamin ang sagot para sa tanong na ito. Dito lang yan sa Usisero Explains.
Bili nga po. Pasit Canton nga po. Gamakon po.
Ate, matanong ko lang po, magkano po ito yung binibili sa supplier niyo po? Tsaka magkano po patong per item?
Ito, sa kape, ano to, 13 pesos. So, 2%, meron akong 2 pesos, pinireduction 15 pesos. Ito naman, 14 pesos. 2%, meron akong, tapos ito naman, ang unan niyan is 28. Siyempre, gagamit ka ulit, palalamitin mo pa. Kaya, nagiging 30.
Okay po. Sige po.
Salamat.
Bayaran mo yan ha.
Mabili nga po. Magkano po sa pansit canton niyo na extra spicy po? Tsaka pabili na rin po ako ng royal po. Magkano po yun?
Ate, magkano ba yung patong niya sa Cote Co Blanca po? Tapos sa Royal po, tapos sa Pansin. Itong kanton.
So, sa part na to ng video guys, hindi na natin marinig si ate kasi lumayo siya sa mic and sa camera. Kasi pumunta pala siya sa likod. And kinausap niya si owner about sa details ng products. Si owner pala ay matanda na kaya hindi na siya nakakapagbenta ng full time. Minsan na lang siya nagbebenta. Pero nakuha pa rin naman namin yung necessary data para sa mission natin ngayon. And for Store C naman, yung interview ni Rosal and ni Elaine ay corrupted yung audio. Pero umasa na lang kami sa notes na na-take nila habang mag-i-interview kay owner. Na-compile naman namin yung data. And with that being said, here's the compiled data of all 3 stores. Let's talk about the data of the 3 stores that we have gone through. In Store A, we can see that their general behavior is about balanced pricing. Their main goal is recover the cost and attract more customers. Store A uses sustainable pricing, balancing profit and customer attraction. While in Store B, they prioritizes higher margin, relying on convenience or loyal customers. Their general behavior is very profit focused. And in Store C, uses low price competition, aiming to dominate customer traffic. They are very customer focused, and their main goal is the lowest price and high traffic. So, let's go back to the main question of this video. Why does the same product cost different in different stores? Based on my experience sa Fudgy Bar at sa data na nakolekt natin, the answer is actually simple. It is not about the product that changes, it's the store's strategy. Some stores like Store A uses sustainable pricing. They balance profit and customer attraction so they can keep operating while staying competitive. Others like Stores B prioritizes higher profit margins. They charge more because they rely on convenience, location, and loyal customers. But in some stores like Store C, lower their prices as much as possible to attract more buyers and increase customer traffic. This explains why my Fudgy Bar costs 10 pesos in one store and 7 pesos in another, and why the same thing happens to other everyday products. Each store is making their own rational economic decision based on cost, competition, and customer demand. So next time you see different prices of the same item, just remember, you are not just paying for the product, you are paying for the store's strategy. If you have more questions just like this, comment it down below, and I would love to find the answer for that question. Uusisain at aalamin ang sagot sa mga tanong na kulang sa pansin. Like, share, and subscribe. Dito lang yan sa Usisero Explains.